here are 10 simple ways to clear and balance your energy and why you must do this during this global crisis. Hi, I'm Saratoga Ocean, and I help people to navigate their spiritual awakenings so they can embark on a conscious path of ascension. In this video, I'm going to share 10 very simple ways to clear and balance your energy. And be sure to watch this video all the way through because number 9 is the easiest way and number 10 is the most powerful way. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so that you can join our powerful community of lightworkers and spiritual seekers. So let's talk about why it's so important to clear and balance your energy right now, especially in the middle of this global crisis. Now, many people believe that this crisis is just about a virus, but that's only a small part of it. We are experiencing a much bigger crisis of massive proportions that involves our entire way of life. Most of us have had our lives completely shut down on every level except for staying home and going out for food. This is crazy. And of course, we have the ever-present media constantly fueling the fire and fanning the flames with fear, anger, and division. Isn't that just lovely? Now stop for a moment and think about the energetic atmosphere that this is producing for all of us to live in. And if you are a lightworker or a starseed, you can't afford to let this type of energy infiltrate your own field of energy and bring your vibration down to an extremely low level. Because we all have a mission to enact, right? So I want to give you a way to visualize this so that you have more clarity when you go to clear your own field of energy. And then we'll get into the 10 different ways that you can do that. Now, just like we have an atmosphere of air surrounding our planet, we also have a collective atmosphere of human energy that surrounds our planet and that we live within. This energetic atmosphere is created entirely by our collective human consciousness. Now, in an ideal world, this energetic human atmosphere would be of an extremely high vibration of love, light, and immense clarity. And we would all be constantly empowered by such a profound state of being. The light of who we are would shine throughout this planet effortlessly. Now, I want you to think about the light of the physical sun. Think about how clear and beautiful that sunlight is when nothing impedes its radiance. But what happens if you go to a city with air that is very polluted? The sun's light will be greatly diffused and diminished, and it's not going to feel very good. So fear, anger, and confusion are like energetic pollution when it comes to our human energetic environment. Just like air pollution diminishes the sun's radiance, the pollution of fear and anger energy will also diminish your experience of your own light. The more that you take on the energy of fear and anger, the more disempowered you will feel because it impedes your ability to experience your own light. And I know that I sound like a broken record, but this is exactly why the media pumps non-stop toxicity into your consciousness to disempower you and diminish your light. So because the entire collective is putting out so much fear energy right now, we need to be extremely mindful about clearing this toxicity out of our being and out of our consciousness on a daily basis. Also realize that your natural state is one of perfect balance. So by clearing your energy very regularly, you will very naturally come back into a state of renewed balance. Now let's talk about the 10 simple ways that you can use to clear your energy and keep your consciousness and your body at a high vibrational level. Number 1, take a walk in nature. A forest or the ocean are ideal if you have those spaces available to you. When you put yourself into a natural environment that is way bigger than you are, you will naturally come into resonance with that vibration. Nature automatically clears its own energy. The earth is always cleansing, clearing, and rebalancing itself. And this is why it's so refreshing to spend time around trees and water and natural settings. Because when you get into that naturally clearing energy of nature, your energy will be cleared as well. Number 2, take a shower or take a bath with mineral salts. Water is incredibly clearing. It will cleanse and clear your aura as well as your physical body. And I have also found that using a body scrub will actually enhance that clearing and raise your vibration even more on a physical level. Number 3, use essential oils. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to clear my energy and raise my vibration because it is so very fast. You can apply the oils to your body or you can use them in a diffuser. And if they are superior therapeutic grade oils, they will instantly improve and uplift your energy. Now, some of my favorite oils for doing this are lemon, Palo Santo, and frankincense. I like to diffuse lemon and frankincense together and then put Palo Santo on my wrists. I find that this simple combination is awesome for clearing energy. Now, my favorite brand of essential oils is Young Living, but you can use whatever brand you like as long as the oils are certified to be therapeutic grade. And if you want to try Young Living oils, I'll put a link in the description below. And it will definitely help me if you purchase the oils through that link. Now, number 4 is sunshine, fresh air, and earthing. Sunshine is one of the most powerful natural clearing agents on this planet, and so is fresh air. So make it a point to go outside at least once a day and allow the sun's rays to bathe you in its energy. And this works on a cloudy day as well because you're still getting the sun's energy even through those clouds. And then take some deep, refreshing breaths because indoor air is very stale. So make sure to fill your lungs with fresh air as often as possible. Now, earthing is a practice of putting your bare feet on the earth's surface for at least 15 minutes or more. And this allows electrical charges from the earth to ground and balance your energy. But you need to make sure that it's your bare feet on the ground. This will not work if you're wearing shoes. Now, if you are unable to go outside at this time, try sitting next to an open, sunny window. Number 5 is to use crystals. Certain crystals and stones are wonderful for clearing your energy. My favorites for this purpose are black tourmaline, clear quartz, and selenite. You can place a combination of these crystals around your body while you meditate, or you can hold one or more of them in your hands while you meditate and connect with their energy. And you can also keep smaller versions of these stones in your pockets to help protect your energy throughout the day. Number 6, smudging with white sage. I love this method of clearing energy. This comes from a Native American tradition that is truly awesome. Now, burning a stick of white sage is usually used to clear a space of lower energies, but you can also use it to clear your aura as well. It is extremely effective at clearing out any unwanted energies and psychic debris. And if you don't know how to do this, I would recommend that you just Google smudging with sage and you'll find all kinds of simple instructions about exactly how to do this. Number 7 is exercise. Physical exercise will definitely clear your energy on pretty much every level. It will energize and uplift you and improve your overall emotional well-being. Now, if you're not in the habit of exercising, start slowly and be consistent and get into it gradually. But the most important thing is to be consistent because that is how you will see the real benefits. Because you see, when you start exercising, you might not feel so great at first because there's probably a lot of old stuck energy that needs to make its way out of your body. But if you are consistent and you do it regularly, that energy is going to start to move, and that's when you're really going to start to feel better and notice the extreme benefits. Number 8 is to do a chakra clearing meditation. Here is a simple chakra visualization exercise that you can try to clear your energy at a much deeper level. So you want to close your eyes and start at your root chakra, and then tune into the color red, which is the color that is associated with that chakra. And by the way, if you don't know where your chakras are and you don't know what the color associations are with each of the 7 chakras, once again, I recommend that you go straight to Google and you'll find all of that information and illustrations there in a very simple way. So anyway, you start at your root chakra and focus on the color red. Then you want to picture a powerful, high vibrational white light passing through that chakra and clearing out any unwanted low vibrational energy. And then you want to move up to the next chakra and repeat this until you've gone through all 7 chakras to complete this at your crown chakra. And if you want to use some music to help you focus on doing this, one of my favorites is Stephen Halpern's famous piece entitled Chakra Suite, which you can find on Spotify, or you can probably find it anywhere. It's a classic, beautiful piece for a chakra meditation. Number 9 is the easiest one of all. All you have to do is play some high energy or inspirational music. This is definitely one of the easiest and fastest ways to clear your energy. When you play music that you like, that is high energy and that inspires you, it will automatically start moving energy through your body, your mind, and your emotions. As you come into resonance with the music, its movement will naturally start to clear out any old low vibrational energy that has become lodged in your energy field. And if you want this to have an even bigger effect, then try doing some spontaneous dancing or movement to the music, because that will facilitate moving that stuck energy out even faster. And this is also one of the fastest and easiest ways to raise your vibration. And finally, number 10 is to enlist the help of your angels. The most powerful way to clear your energy is to enlist the help of your angels in cutting any unwanted cords of energy and in clearing your energy overall. See, when you are connected to the tragedy of this global crisis, which we all are, you can also unwittingly develop psychic cords of energy that connect you to all the people that are suffering, thereby draining you and sapping your strength. So it's really important to cut these psychic cords regularly, at least once a day. Now, here's a simple technique that you can use with the help of Archangel Michael. First, ask him to cut any unwanted cords of invisible psychic energy, and then ask him to vacuum out any negative psychic debris from within your energy field. And you can also ask your own angels and guides to help you with this. But just remember that you yourself have to be willing to release these psychic cords and release this energy in order for your angels to be effective. So that's it. Those are examples of 10 simple things that you can do to clear your energy and raise your vibration every single day. Now, I have one more very important thing that I need to point out. The most important ingredient in any of these energy clearing methods is your conscious intention. The strength and clarity of your intention to clear your energy using these methods will determine the power of your results. Just remember to use some method of energy clearing every day as we go through this crisis and beyond it. So leave me a comment below and let me know if you have a favorite method that you like to use to clear your energy. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it out with your friends. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I will be here 3 times a week, every week, to support you through this entire process. And with that, I'm sending you loads of love, light, and positive energy. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.